All right, guys, we're here at the start of Corsa Rally. Today's launch day. We're at the Waldorf Astoria in downtown Atlanta. Today, the plan is right here. We're going Atlanta to Asheville. We're gonna be doing some Blue Ridge Mountain driving. We're gonna be doing some nonsense, making some noise. So I hope you stick around. This is gonna be a good time. So here we go. Hey, we're at Corsa Rally. We got our good Shelby friend here, our new friend. He's starting a YouTube channel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shout him out. But dude, is this not the most freaking, I don't care, awesome car ever?
This is absolutely the favorite Shelby that I've owned. It's the most technologically advanced Mustang ever to hit the street.
Ever.
Built-in line lock, built-in launch control.
How does it feel to you when you're driving it?
Oh, it's an experience like no other. This thing will absolutely is a beast.
A beast. So tell them your YouTube channel and tell them what you're doing on there.
Well, the YouTube channel is Grandpa Garage. Be doing rallies with the car. I'm also going to be doing videos of working in the garage on doing stuff. I've got this car. I've got a 65 Cobra Roadster. We'll just see where the channel takes us.
Sounds like you need to come pay us a visit.
Thank you all for coming out here. This is our 45th event that we put on, 10 years, so I see a boatload of familiar faces, so thank you guys, and for everyone that's new, thank you for joining us. This morning, we're gonna be pulling out of here at 10 o'clock sharp. When we get on the highway, it's shut down for us, so it's ours for about the next 10 miles. They're gonna eventually just kind of branch off as they leave their jurisdiction.
It's go time. Here we go.
Kind of catching up to traffic now, and it's been very sketchy. Stop and go, stop and go. We're on the brakes again. You just got a lot of guys who want to go real fast and accelerate, and then a lot of people are braking excessively, so it's not a good combo all the time, but you got to stay on high alert on these rallies a lot at the time.
That's another reason why I was saying you got to be really engaged, because things can happen like that. Like that Lambo just went off into the grass a little bit. That was sketch.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that in this car, because this car doesn't have the same technology that thing does, right? So it's intense.
Oh yeah.
But these rallies are a blast. And we're not breaking the law at all. So.
Hey, your keys in your door. Your keys in the door. Yeah. I'm just messing with you, man. I'm just messing with you.
She drives me wild as she looks in my eyes.
Oh my gosh, she died stripping.
Doing what she had to do.
I can't even see him, so soon dead. So tonight, there's gonna be 3 people blessed with the mermaid inside of us on the parking structure. I don't know. Hey, next year we're making stickers.
Yep.
We're making custom stickers of your and I's face with cowboy hats in front of a Ford GT, and we'll put them on people's cars.
I love it.
On the windshields.
That way they can know who deteriorated their car.
All right, so we've had the worst thing possible could happen on a rally happen. Well, it's really second to crashing and dying, being arrested, or getting a speeding ticket. It is the worst thing. So we were at the back of a front group. We had left the gas station, and there's a whole nother group of cars behind us that got a late start out of the gas station. And we, of all people, got stuck with one other car behind a couple cars. And he decided to be a bat out of hell. We decided not to go around him and fly. Well, that lucky son of a bitch made all the lights, and guess who stopped right in front of us? One of the cars he passed. It was the only one.
Yep.
So we were probably on a 5-minute delay behind everybody, but the back group hasn't caught up to us yet. So we're in this like
Limbo.
dead zone.
Yeah.
And it's like, do you go faster and catch up, or do you slow down and get the next group? Now, as I'm saying this, ironically, I just saw 2 Lambos rolling up way back there. So, okay, cool. So at least we've got some. But when you get split up, when you're doing like this whole day and you only have like 2 days of rallying or 3, and you end up in the middle of the pack with nobody around, it could be hours before you find a group again.
Oh yeah.
So we'll just name it the dead zone.
The dead zone.
We're in the dead zone, not the danger zone.
The dead zone.
The dead zone.
How's she handling so far?
So good. Oh, that's a police station. That car's got so much presence.
Our first KA. Where is he at, Vinny?
Oh, he's coming. He's right up here. There he is.
Oh yeah.
He's hiding.
He's hiding. Where is he
Knows
at?
about all of us. Oh, I think that's him up on the right. Nope, that's not him. Dude, where is he? That sneaky son of a bitch.
Oh, there he is.
Ah, see,
Not
we got
sneaky
him.
at all.
Never mind. We're just blind.
Yep.
By the way, we've been going, like, one person will pull over for us, we get a little bit of spirited driving. We happen again, guess what we just ran into? 100 motorcycles.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Dude, there's so many, and they're not speed bikes.
Nope.
They are cruisers.
They are Harleys. Dang.
Okay, we were behind 100 bikes, so we give them a little bit of room. We let them go out in front of us. We're doing about 10 miles an hour, and then we do this. Such little kids.
Yep.
Such little kid. And that's what we get to do. So we have to do that for the next 30 miles. 30 miles.
Dang it.
It's all good.
It's all good.
You would be